Welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this loan platform, which is LightStream Loan. So to get started about the review, so talking about LightStream is a division of Trust Bank, which is a top choice for borrowers with a good and excellent credit who want fast and affordable personal loans. It offers loans from 5,000 to 100,000 with a low fixed rate, no fee, and no repayment penalties. Funding can be quick as the same day, and its rate beat programs ensure you get the lowest available rate. It's especially strong for debt consolidation, home improvement, and auto loans, which make it a reliable option for borrowers with a strong credit profile. The downside is the LightStream is not beginner friendly. It requires strong credit history and a stable income, and there's no pre-qualification option. So checking rate may inspect your score. Some user also reports inconsistent customer service and occasional delay in the service. Overall, if you have a solid credit and you want a low-cost, hassle-free loan, LightStream is one of the best lender in 2025. But if your credit is average or you want more flexible approval, other lender might suit you better. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Hit the turn notification button and subscribe for more reviews. Thanks.